After working in the industry with GM as a master tech for approximately 20 years, you know the importance of having a good foundation to be successful, and a place like the Career Center really helps to jumpstart a student, especially with having the chance to work with some of our industry partners. It puts them ahead of the students who possibly might not be as successful, because the foundation of what they received here really furthers them along their career as they go through life. The Career Center is really very important to the sustainability of our economic growth here in Robeson County.
We encourage them to try all fields, to find something that they're passionate about. Can make up to $100,000 or more a year in the welding industry. You get your foundation in high school where it doesn't cost you anything. And if you really apply yourself, you can actually go on to a job site once you graduate from high school.